Hey guys, sorry about how random this video is. I just had to make it because it is raining so hard, like hardest it ever rains. So where I live, it like never ever rains, like ever. And I had to make a video so that I could look back at this and go, oh my gosh, it was raining, and oh my gosh, it's just so nice. And okay, I'm believing my eyes. It's so hot where I live, and it's actually raining. So, thank you, rain!